His Pontiac Fiero takes him away, and there's nobody left to help me justify each day. He was the last clear head that I knew in this town. Now there's nobody else around. It feels like there's nobody else around. Trusted friends now seem to be few and far between. It's as if you just can't really love when you're only 17. Well, I get so sick and tired of our medicated minds and always showing up on time. We're always showing up right on time. Where do we begin to believe in something other than the weakness in our knees and in her? A set of arms and legs and lips and eyes of which I just can't ever seem to purge. Oh, tell me, where do I begin? Oh, the doctor's best advice was take it easy for a while, and in 6 or 7 months you might be able to get by. I said I'm so sick and tired of having wounds that will not heal, and happiness I have to steal. Oh, all the happiness I have, I had to steal it. Where do we begin to believe in something other than the weak?